So again, we're this is lesson 8, session 3. So we're using grouping to multiply. Okay, it says Nicole decorates a pair of gloves with plastic jewels. She glues 3 jewels on each finger. Okay, so last time I checked, a pair of gloves means how many gloves? 2. Okay, and it says that she glues 3 jewels on each finger, right? So each glove has how many fingers? 5. Okay. So there are a pair. A pair means 2, right? Okay. Okay. And then each glove has how many? 5 fingers, right? Okay. And then she puts how many jewels on each one? 3. So I have to multiply all those to figure this out. Okay. When it says grouping, that means I have to choose 2 numbers to multiply first. Okay. So we could do this. Okay. 2 and 5. That'll tell me how many fingers I have, right? All together. So 2 times 5 would be 10. Okay, I'm not done yet because I need to do the outside. So what's on the outside?
3
Times 3. So then what's 10 times 3? 3. Well, let's see. Okay. Let's draw a hand. Hold on, let me move this up. Let's go ahead and delete that. I'm going to draw a hand. Right? There's my hand. There's my other hand. Right?
Yeah.
And it says that she has, so that's 10 fingers right there, right? And each finger has how many jewels? 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, kind of like the gauntlet on Avengers, huh? Yeah. And how many jewels did that glove have? 6. Infinity stones, huh? So there's that. There you go. So I have 2 pair of gloves, okay, and there's 3 jewels on each finger, and I have 10 fingers. So I should have 30 jewels, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so 15 and 15 should be 30. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. And that's what you should have. So what would be my multiplication sentence for this sentence right here? For this one? For this hand? For this one right here. How many fingers do I have? 5. And how many jewels in each finger? 3. So then 5 times 3. And then how about this hand?
5 times 3.
Again, also 5 because I have 5 fingers with 3 jewels in each. Okay? And obviously you would go 5 times 3 would be 15. And then 15 plus 15 would be 30. So I would 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 3 is 15. And then you're adding 15 plus 15 to get 30. Okay? That's one way to do it. Okay? Or the other way that I showed you was, well, a pair means 2. Right? Oh, I'm going to write it on this side right here. A pair means 2, right? And a glove has how many fingers again? 5. And then how many jewels in each finger? 3. So then you can go 2 times 5 first, and then times 3. Okay? I can also do 5 times 3 first, huh? Would be 15. Okay? But obviously we don't do 15 times 2, which that would be 30 because you're just doubling 15 and 15. So this is how they solved it. They drew a picture, Okay, and there are 5 fingers with 3 jewels each, so that would be 5 times 3 equals 15. So she has 15 jewels on each glove. Okay, and there are 2 gloves, so then that would go 15 times 2. Okay, and that's what they did. Okay, we talked about this on the first column. It says use parentheses. That's this. Those are parentheses if you didn't know. It says use parentheses to show 2 different ways to group 2 times 7, 7 times 2 times 4. So I'm going to write them out first. 7 times 2 times 4. Okay. So tell me, which numbers could I group together? 7 times 2. Sure, let's do that. That's one way to group them. And I'm going to write it again. 7 times 2 times 4. What's another way to group them? What is it? 2 times 4, correct. They have to be next to each other, don't they? I can't do this. 7 times 2 times 4. I can't group them like that, huh? All right? Just saying. Okay? So if I did the first one, what's 7 times 2? 14. And then I have to go 14 times 4. Which obviously we haven't covered that in class, have we? Okay? Let's do the other one. Okay, what's 2 times 4? 8. 8. So now I have, what would be my new multiplication sentence now? 7 times 8. Oh, I could do that because I know my 8s and my 7s. What would that be? What would it be? 56. Okay. Or I could break it apart, right? 4 and 4. 7 times 4 plus 7 times 4 would be 20 plus 28 would be 56. Okay. Or I could use equal groups, or I could use an array. So again, we're still using order and grouping to multiply. Okay. Joel bought 2 boxes of bananas. Okay. 2 boxes. 1, 2 boxes. Where are my 2 boxes? Of bananas for her ice cream shop. There are 8 bunches. Okay, 8 bunches in each box. All right, I'm good. I'm gonna do the boxes a little bit bigger so I can add things on there. So my 2 boxes. Okay, and how many bunches are in there?
8.
8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 4 there. Make sure I'm able to fit 8 of them in here. Okay? And then how many in each box? And there are 5 bananas in each bunch. Okay? So I make sure that I make the boxes a little bit bigger because I'm going to add things inside. Okay? So there are 5 bananas here, 5 here, 5 here, 5 here, 5 here, 5 here, 5 here, 5, 5, 5, 5. So there are 5 bananas in each bunch. Then it says, how many bananas does Joel buy? Well, guess what? I have the numbers there already. Look. Okay? 2, 8, and 5. There are the 3 numbers that I could multiply. So how would that multiplication sentence look like?
2 times 8 times 5.
2 times 8 times 5. Which one would probably help me the most to group together first? Francis. 5 times 8. I'm going to do that. Okay. So what would be 5 times 8? 40. So now I have what? What would be my no multiplication sentence? It's 2 times whatever 8 times 5 is. What's 8 times 5 again? 40. So my no multiplication sentence would be 2 times 40. And when I'm multiplying by 2s, I just double the other number, right? So what's 40 and 40? 80. 80. And you're right. To double check that, I can count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50,
55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80.
Woo! Awesome. You're right. 80. And then I'm done. So this is a model that represents this right here. Okay? Okay, this one says something a little bit different. It says change the order of the factors. So right now the factors are in this order, okay? They're in 3, 7, and 3. How can I change the order?
3, 3, 7.
Okay, so how do I write it? Tell me.
3 times 3 times 7.
Perfect. So now, which numbers could I actually group together? Just tell me, everybody.
3 times 3.
I'm going to do this first because I know what 3 times 3 is.
9.
9. So then my new multiplication sentence would be 9. 9 times 7, and I know what that is. 63. Okay. That's another way you could do it. Okay. Just use the strategy that best that you're more comfortable with. Okay. And then look at this one too. It says change the order, right? Okay. Follow the directions. Change the order of the factors. So I have 4 times 9 times 2. What should I write, Tammy?
2 times 4 times 9.
2 times 4 times 9. What two factors am I going to group together? I could do 4 times 9. I could do that. But which one would probably be the best way to do it?
4 times
2 times 4. Which would be 8. So then my new multiplication sentence would read
8 times 9.
8 times 9, which would be 72. And we use the whole little finger thing, right? Awesome.